Okay, hey YouTube, I will now show you how that trick was done. These handcuffs are dollar store handcuffs. You can buy them like at any dollar store. These hatches, pull it, it unlocks it. My feet were actually tied with this that came from my sweater, and I used my toes just to pull it down. It's quite hard to do that though. Try doing it behind your try doing it behind your back. I've done that once, but difficult. Um, So yeah, I got a comment saying that teaching people how to do these tricks would be a lot useful and stuff. So